So we have the same list of employees, but I've got this, this header up here, and I want this spread across both columns. So we're going to take this particular cell, and we're going to drag and select both cells. And up here in the alignment menu, we're going to click Merge and Center. And what it does is it just combined both of the cells together and then centered the word employees above both columns. If I spread this out, it spreads out the name, the one that's been merged together. If I shorten it up, it also reshortens that specific one up as well. If I go to retype in it, so I can type some more stuff in it, employees that we have, it continues to keep it all in that one cell. And of course, if I double click on this to expand it, nothing happens because it's based off of this. So if we expand this out, it keeps us very nice and centered in that specific cell. Let's say I want to undo that. You just come back over here and click it, and it reverts back to two different cells. It goes back to the first cell with your data in it. Now, if you have other data in another cell, and then we grab both and we merge them, we give a warning message. Merging cells are going to only take the left values. So if I click OK, the word other data is going to disappear. And it's gone. Look at that. So be careful when you're merging your cells that if you've got stuff in that next cell over that it keeps it for you.